In the heart of the Australian outback, a young explorer bounded through the golden hues of the evening, her spirit as boundless as the horizon. Amidst the vibrant flora of the bushland, a curious adventurer scoured the earth, little knowing the twist fate had in store. The chatter of the creatures filled the air as they convened, a sage-old owl pointing the way with eyes that held centuries of knowledge. Through the labyrinth of stones and foliage, the spirited wanderer pressed on, her resolve unyielding in the face of adversity. Beneath the gentle moon's watchful gaze, a moment of reflection unfolded by the river's edge, stirring thoughts as deep as the water's flow. Amidst the enigmatic shadows of the forest, unseen watchers cast their gaze upon an undaunted wayfarer, challenging her mettle with their unspoken presence. In a tapestry of sunlight and shadows, a moment of revelation dawned as the lost was found, concealed under a blanket of autumn's remnants. With newfound wisdom nestled within her heart, the jubilant voyager returned in a triumphant dance, her rekindled spirit painting the air with stories untold. Amidst the celestial dance of stars above, a jubilant chorus rose from the souls of kindred spirits, weaving a tapestry of joy and unity under the cosmos's watchful eye.